What's up guys, welcome back to OneManEngineering. My name is Greg. Today we're gonna be working on the Archdale vertical once again, and we're gonna be doing oil distribution box. I think it's episode random. We're gonna be modifying this, and I would like to do a oil distributor. And basically what I have in mind is that I'm gonna attach this the back side of this. We're gonna completely get rid of this section for the simple reason that I would like to put a perspex, like a plexiglass in it, so actually you can see sort of like an oil side glass, but like huge, so you actually can see the cogwheels and the oil splash around in the machine. And I would like to attach this distribution box on the back side, so when the oil line comes from a pump, it goes in and then it distributes the oil. I'm not sure how many different places. I think I will set it up for like 7 or 8, and yeah, I don't think I'll be using all of them, but you know, just in case. And for the simple reason that this machine used to have a motor with the 800 RPM, and now the new motor that I put in is gonna be a 1440 RPM, so basically 1400 RPM motor. Long story short, the motor will spin twice as fast, the oil flow will be twice as much or greater than it used to be. I'll bring you close to the machine and I'll show you what I meant. This is the cover for the side, and as I said, I want to have a nice big side glass over here. I'm gonna cut this one out, and on the inside and the back side of it, I would like to put this distribution box kind of like here. So the oil pump is here and the oil line comes up out of this hole, and therefore this distribution box will be sitting somewhere over here, firmly attached to the cover plate. The finish is spectacular. 5, 6, 7. Let's work with 8. I always find it easier to work with even numbers. So this one comes in over here like so. There's gonna be, yeah, let me just place it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now obviously these are gonna be in the middle. And in order to achieve this, I will get rid of all of these tips. I don't know if you can guys see it. So I'm gonna get rid of the tips, so only the thread will remain on it, just to make some clearance. There shouldn't be any issue. As you can see, there will be plenty of space, but you know, just in case, the more space the better. Obviously there will be an inlet over here on the bottom. There will be an inlet, an outlet over here in the bottom, or 2 of them. And the way that it will be connected is that, and that's why I want to put these 2 on the side, so I can just pretty much drill it through and everything will be connected, you know, in that channel. And if I don't want to use these 2, that I just kept these off, because as I said, I want to use, I think, 4 or 5 outlets maybe, but I just want to give myself an option to, you know, to use more if I need to. Two in the bottom over here, so there's 6, 7, 8, and the inlet in the middle. I tried to put it in a jar where there's no serration, so I won't mar up the surface. It doesn't matter because it won't be seen, but still. Looks okay. So here we are, all of them 8 are done. Just to recap, that I've shortened the thread over here, I cut the end of it, I drilled through with the 3.8mm drill bit, and I put a spot drill to the end just to give it a nice little chamfer on the inside. It's absolutely not necessary, but I just wanted to make it look like, you know, a decent job. Okay. This one was very important that you need to drill this hole first. If you drill these ones first, then you won't be able to drill it straight through. Let me put the compress there to it and I'll get back to you guys. Beautiful looking threads. Goes in there just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all the other ones. Okay, I'm not gonna make you watch it, and then I'll bring it back. So everything's ready to go. This is on center and this is on center. So I raised the knee half an inch plus an extra 175 thou, which is the half of the 9mm drill bit, and I'm gonna advance the tool 3/4 of an inch. This is the same. I do a touch off and 3/4 of an inch deep. Okay, so this is actually the next day. It's mighty cold out here. Sorry for the noise that the leaf blower is going. So this is how far we got yesterday. This one, the 3/8 went in a little bit crooked because I didn't have the right tap wrench, so I had to use some like monkey wrench. It's a little bit crooked. It's not gonna hurt anything or anyone. It's just not pretty.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
All right, why would I do that now? Anyway, as I say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 outlet, one inlet. This is a 10mm inlet. It used to be a 3/8, but I widened the hole. It's just impossible to buy 3/8 brake pipe, so it's a 10mm. I've widened it up, and these are just regular 3/16 brake pipe joiner. Yeah, as I said, that I've drilled them through, so these are all enlarged hole, 3.8 mil, I think, all of them, just to, you know, have the oil flow a little bit better. And we need to drill 2 holes, one roughly about like here, roughly, and another one over here, so one here, one here. These are going to be 3/16 3/16s, I think. Yeah, I think these are going to be 3/16 holes, and oh sorry, threaded 3/16, and this is the way that it's going to be attached to the back of the plate. And after that I'm just gonna clean it up, you know, make it look pretty. Okay, let's get going. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I like the table X and Z, and I'm just gonna feed it in the Y direction. One over here, one over here. Alright, so 3/16/24 tap in the chuck. And I'm just gonna start threading, then I finish it by hand. Oops. Okay, so I've cleaned all of the sides, cleaned all the threads after I ran through the mill. Everything is working perfectly. The threads are clean, even the 3/16s. It's going perfectly. However, I made a mistake, and I don't know how I did it. I don't know if you can see that, guys. I was cleaning up the thread after I milled the surface, and somehow I managed to broke the tap into it. I really don't know how, because as I said, I was just cleaning it. Now, speaking of cleaning, if you guys have any idea how I can clean the inside of the channels, please let me know, because compressed air is not really working, obviously, and there are a couple of burrs that I want to get rid, because I don't want it to be trapped in a oil line. Okay, so everything is working fine. It turned out the way that I wanted to. Happy days. Okay, so this concludes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please join me in the next one.